guys, today on another episode of Sailing Bluefin, we're going to show you how to make your own window shades with a mesh. So let's see how we do it. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification button for future episodes.
This is one of the side windows that we are making the mesh covers for. There's one on each side, obviously. And the reason that these mesh covers are so important is the extreme heat can actually cause cracks like this. And we don't want any more of those cracks. So the first thing we needed to do was to make sure we had enough material to do the shades. So we folded this in half because there's two windows, one on each side, and hold it up to where the track is, and we definitely do have enough. So the next step is going to be to cut this in half so that it's easier to deal with.
So now what we've done is we've folded the material in half, so we know to make sure that we have the same amount for both windows that we're going to do, and we're just going to cut it in half. So we're just going to grab a pair of scissors, make sure they're good ones so it's easy to cut, and just going to cut it all the way. Okay, after we finish cutting, now we've got two pieces. We just obviously separate them. And we are going to go to the top and put it against the window. We're going to tape it, and then we trace it, and we continue with the project. So the mesh is ready now, so we're just going to measure and secure it in there and continue. We'll show you how we go.
So we have studs all the way around the window to clip the mesh into when it's finished, and right now we're just marking with chalk the edge close to those studs so that we can cut it accurately. So we've marked this out in chalk so that we know where the edge is, where the studs are, and now we're just cutting against the chalk so that we can put it in place. So the next step after all the cutting is to put the edges on. So we've got some black Sunbrella canvas here, and we've got some 6mm bolt rope. So the bolt rope goes into the track once it's inside the canvas. So we will cut around about 20-30 centimeters of this canvas. The bolt rope goes inside, and we'll sew that tight in there so that slides in, and then we'll hem this and put the mesh inside that and sew that. So the mesh connects to the canvas, and the canvas is around the bolt rope, and that holds it into the track. Here's our little helper.
Whoop.
Not being so helpful.
Wanting to play. So we've grabbed a ruler and we've measured the amount that we need to, and we're just cutting. So we are going to use for ours 40 centimeters.
On each side of the hem.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Yep, so we're going to fold.
So it's total of 80 centimeters.
Totally of 80. Okay.
Alex is just sewing the bolt rope into the top edge now. The rope in the end of it.
So this is it. This is what it looks like. So show you, we went as close as possible as we could through the rope, and so far this is what it looks like. So now we're gonna sew the shade into the ball rope. So I'm just placing this inside there, and I'm just gonna sew through there. So I'm just gonna do very small sections of it because I'm not putting any pins, and that's just what it looks like. This is pretty secure, and this is it. This is what it looks like so now. So we're gonna try now to see how it looks when we put it in on the window.
Yeah, that's just the top bolt rope, and we'll just measure up the rest of it.
And you, mister, he doesn't like the sewing machine.
So we're just measuring the canvas for the edges, and we're doing the bottom edge right now. The width that we're using is the width of this, and that's the piece that we have to cut out, and that's going to go across here. And this is a piece that we did already for the bottom. So the starboard side is all done, and this is the finished product, and we're just going to slide it into the sail track, which is just up in here underneath.
See if I can show it to you.
So we're just sliding the bolt rope into the track, and this bit is always awkward. You have to slide it in very carefully and very slowly so it goes in neatly. So this is what we're going to use. It comes in 3 pieces. There's the base that attaches to the body of the catamaran, of the boat, and then these 2 together go around the material and click in. So now we're putting the studs in place, and this is the base of the stud where it connects to the So we're just drilling a hole in the fabric. So we've just pushed the stud through the material. This bottom piece goes on top onto the top piece, and we push these 2 together, and that's it, and it clips down like that.
Product now, so we just got it clear on the window, and it's actually fantastic. We get a lot of shade, and you can see in. So yeah, I hope you like it.
Chucky's exhausted after all his hard work. He's taking up a spot in the shade.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this video and it's been useful for you. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them on the comments below, and we will see you next time. Bye for now.